Today's science experiment is conductivity experiment.
First, you need double-A battery holder with wires.
Then you need 3 alligator clip wires.
Then you need LED lights, like paper clip and candle and tape and pencil and rubber and 4 coins and a key and a bookmark.
We're gonna test the object penny. It lights.
Do you think the object nickel will light up? Let's find out.
Lights up again.
Let's try candle. It did not glow. Now it's time to try paper clip.
It lights up.
Pencil works and glows.
What do you think of lemon? It lit up. How about rubber band?
Not glow. What do you think happened to key? It glows.
Metallic items allow electricity to flow.
Thank you for watching!